Question for you. Did your truck survive winter or is it barely hanging on? Spring is finally here, so it's time to show your vehicle a little love. First things first, let's get these winter tires off and get you in for an alignment. Winter roads are tough and your steering feels it. Planning any road trips? Now's the perfect time to get your brakes checked and your fluids topped up. Oil, coolant, brake fluids, the basics matter. Basically, if your car worked hard for you all winter long, it needs a spring reset. And here's the best part. Spring is a great time to get your upgrades done. We do box liners, lift kits, tires, rims, whatever you would like. So if you're thinking about leveling up, now's the time. And yes, lifts and accessories can be financed, so you don't have to choose between upgrades and groceries. Whether you're getting your vehicle road ready or building your dream truck, come see us at Legacy. So let's book your appointment, ask about accessories, and get your vehicle ready for spring. And we will take care of the rest.